2, 3, 6, 7, 8. And you can stick to those straight strums, or you can join me on a strum pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch to G7, 6, 7, 8. Next line, G7. 2, 3, 4, back to C. 6, 7. Here we go. Down in the valley so low. Hang your head over. Hear the wind blow. Hear the wind blow, dear. Hear the wind blow. Hang your head over. Hear the wind blow. Verse 2. Roses love sunshine. Violets love dew. Angels in heaven know I love you. Know I love you, dear. Know I love you. Angels in heaven know I love you. Back to verse 1. Down in the valley so low. Hang your head over. Hear the wind blow. Hear the wind blow, dear. Hear the wind blow. Hang your head over. Hear the wind blow. End on C. Lovely.